Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to Kadina Craft Box videos. In this video, we're going to create an after Ramadan goals lock-up box. In Ramadan, as we know, the shaitaan is locked up, but he has been very good at his job. He's been good at making us do things that we should not be doing at all, and we should not be saying at all, and we should not be thinking at all, and we should not be feeling at all. And even though he's locked up, he's worked so hard in this time at making us behave this way. So our actions are down to us, and sometimes the actions that aren't very good about us definitely have been ingrained and we need to work on them. The lock-up box is a reminder box for us to put words in on the things that we need to work on. You might recognize some things in Ramadan that you want to improve on. You can put your goals in the box. For example, if you didn't come to the table at iftar on time, then you might want to say something like, I want to be more organized. And for example, if you've been playing too many games in Ramadan and you haven't balanced down to done some important things, like for example, reading your Quran, you might want to write, I want to use my time better. This is also another great reflection activity, and it goes hand in hand with the Ramadan Good Deeds affirmation tree. Why not do them both together? The link for that one is in the description below. Inshallah, with our new goals in place, after Ramadan, we will have better akhlaq and better adab. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. And as always, like, comment and share. And if you haven't, please do subscribe. On an A3 black card, I am making a cube box. Lengthways, I have 4 squares 9 by 9 centimeters side by side, all the way from the top to the bottom of the card. The second square down will have 2 more squares on its side, left and right, again 9 by 9 centimeters. Join all the dots together to create your 6 cube squares. I'm creating flaps so I can glue the box together. On the top square, 1 at the top and 2 on the side. They will measure out at 1 centimeter and in at 2 centimeters. On the 2 remaining squares on the length of the card, I am going to create flaps, this time only on either side, with the same measurements. Join the lines together for the flaps. On the square with the 3 flaps, corner to corner, use your ruler and draw lines to create a cross. This tells me where the center of the circle is. I'm drawing a circle in the center of this square so I can drop my goals in. You can use a compass if you wish, but I have a clear sauce pot which measures about 4 centimeters in diameter. Cut around the frame to create the cube and cut into the circle and your template is ready. Now glue it all into place. I'm using outline stickers to create bars around my lock-up box. I'm going 9 by 9 on the sides. This will overlap over the top. Tuck the outline stickers into the circle. 2 strips are going to be added on the sides. And now your goals are ready to go into your after Ramadan goals lock-up box. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Do comment, let me know what you think about this one.